Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2014 Polaris Ranger XP 900 with electric power steering. This machine's got 10-ply tires. I'm going to say they're 95% tread. They look brand new. Still have knobbies on some of them. Has a street legal kit with blinkers, glass windshield with wiper, roof with the headliner, poly rear window. Tires are good all the way around. Tilt assist dump box. Turn signals. It does have the audio kit, but the speakers are not working. Machine's got 815 engine hours, 12,890 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you got any questions, you can always call us at 406-232-3300.